Hello everyone, welcome to the Football Post online training course. In this episode, I would like to show you how we can solve the rcfgx file problem by restoring the factory settings. This way will be much easier.
Let's import and run file. I saved it before. It's P28 run file. Okay. Now we send it to the poster. Let's see. Okay, you can see that it's poster is not working properly. I don't know how to describe it, like a mosaic or something. So how do we quickly fix this problem? We can just click restore factory setting. Let's see. Click it, and then definitely all receiving card. Then click OK. Let's see. Bingo. It's solved with just in 1 second. Click OK. Do you want to save? Yeah, definitely. So this is the original file that we have been restored in our factory. Okay. So this way will be much easier and faster.